Hello guys, in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to remove Gcash on Roblox. If you have encountered a problem like this, Gcash appears as unavailable, you can also solve this issue by unlinking or removing your Gcash from your Roblox app or other apps and just link it again. So the first thing that you need to do is to go to Play Store, tap on your picture on the top right corner, then tap on Payment and Subscriptions. Then tap on Payment Methods. Then from here, scroll down and tap on More Payment Settings. Then you will be redirected to your browser. Just log in using your account. Then you will see all the payment methods you set here. Just look for Gcash, then tap on Remove. Then again, just tap on Remove. Now let's check on Roblox. Just tap on the Roblox icon, tap on any Roblox package, tap on this arrow, and as you can see, we have successfully removed Gcash. We can add it again anytime here. And that's it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Thank you and see you on our next video.